Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Car Question. Another week, another car to test. And now I'm back in the minivan segment. I thought this segment was dead with a lot of SUV and crossover on the market, but I was wrong because in like 4 weeks, it's like the second minivan that I'm trying right now. And Kia has released the Carnival. Here in Quebec, we say Carnival, there's nothing to do with that song, but still I was just finding that funny. So a few things that I like right now at the first time that I saw the Kia Carnival is the design and the style. Look at that. This is one aggressive minivan that's looking like nothing alike in this segment. And you've got also some little detail that are really neat and it's gonna give you style even if you're a father of 8 children. Otherwise, once you get inside, check out those VIP seats. Whoa, this is comfort. This is gonna be perfect to take a nap while somebody's gonna be driving your van on the long road ahead. Boy, do I love that when I'm not filming. You've got also the camera, the center display here. Look at that. If you want to see what's happening with the kids in the back, you want to see who's having like a problem with his stomach, you can see exactly what's happening with a great visibility, with a great HD camera. Thumbs up once again. And how about some Korean innovation? Once you're sitting in the driver's seat, you can simply move the seat here forward and reverse by the press of a button, which is right there in the seat. I just love that easy access. Really ingenious from Kia. And how about that great unique look, that design of the integration of the center screen here with the cluster all digital. Wow, big thumbs up to that, Kia. This is an amazing van so far and it's just the first contact. How about you guys? What do you like and what you don't like about that Kia Carnival? Feel free to tell me in the comments down there below. Explode the thumbs up counter, and also the full review is going to come soon. So make sure that you subscribe because we will have a lot more to tell about this van. And by the way, any question? Now is the time. Take care.